Our election is about understanding the importance of this beautiful country of ours in terms of what we stand for around the globe as a democracy. As a democracy, we know there's a duality to the nature of democracy. On the one hand, incredible strength when it is intact. What it does for its people to protect and defend their rights, their liberty, and their freedom. Incredibly strong and incredibly fragile. Now let's get back to work, shall we?
Them is what I'll tell you. The whole world, the rest of the country, loves Tim and Gwen.
When my grandkids and your grandkids asked you about this, because on November 6th, you were there, first time when you got to welcome Madam President of the United States, Kamala Harris.
Tim Walz! Hey, everybody!
We don't call each other names. We don't do it. And we don't use the least fortunate amongst us as punchlines for our jokes because they're our neighbors. They're our neighbors.
Did you guys, I'm going to pass you back. Have you guys finished your conversation? Okay. And then I'll see you out there, okay? And hopefully I'll see you in the area at some point.
Well, what are you hearing out there?
Okay.
What are you hearing out there? What can
You too, Hannah. Thank you.
You know it's true, don't you? It's just, and I was out in Ohio. I'm going to keep this. It's true, right? Freedom to say about
How's your day been?
Oh, great. I'm just looking forward to this. You've become no I just think that is you just touched to the heart of it. Thank
But we live by the golden rule. And that golden rule is mind your own damn business.